1149 Periwinkle Way, Sanibel Island, Florida. We have an elevator here. An outdoor one. There's Periwinkle Way right there. Alright. We have an elevator here, so let's take a ride on it. Oh, don't tell me it doesn't work. Yeah, that might be the case. That's open for some reason. Let's walk up the stairs. There's no call button. Oh, okay. Maybe it's still an installation. Yeah, there's no call button up here. Look at that. Got an elevator here. No call button. All right. Oh well, that'll be it.